Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I will be showing you how you can achieve this super 8mm film look in Adobe Premiere Pro. So I'm just going to duplicate this by pressing the Alt button on my keyboard. Then I am going to go to Effects, and I'm going to find Channel Blur. And then I am going to drag the effect on the second video. Then under red blurriness, I'm just going to add in about 35 and enable repeat edge pixels. Then under opacity right here, you're going to set your blend mode to lighten. Then I am going to add an adjustment layer. I'm just going to right click and then new item, adjustment layer. Press OK, drag your adjustment layer on top and adjust this bit. Then I am going to search for posterize time in the effects panel. Oops, I did not click on that. Posterize time. And I'm going to drag it to the adjustment layer. And I'm going to put the frame rate to 16. After that, I am going to go to color, and I am going to go to, let me just find, okay, go under creative, and for sharpen do -50. After that, I'm just going to color correct using curves. So I'm still under color, go to curves, RGB curves. Okay, it appears to be lagging a little bit. Let me just wait. Okay, I'm just going to set the white over here and also right there. And for the reds, I am going to sort of put it up here and put this right over here. And for the greens, I just want to move it a little bit. You know, just color correct as you go. And for the blue, I just want a little bit up here. And you can add textures if you want, but here is the, I think I need to render it a bit so you'll be able to see. I'll be right back. Let me just pause this for a sec. And I am back, and as you can see, we have achieved this 8mm super 8mm film look. And that is basically it. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!